My clothes are gone. All these bathroom supplies. One look, and welcome back. I have an update. First of all, it's February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. Today is February 13th. I feel like something's in my eye. So I am moving. Yay! I've been packing for the past 3 days. We got pretty much like the whole apartment kind of packed. Like all the big stuff have been moved out. We just have little things here and there. Yeah, so it's a mess. I am wearing a sports bra and like pajama pants. This used to be my little office space there. Now it's boxes and all that stuff going on. This is just cleaning supplies. I just brought back out here. I'm putting it all in a bag. Bedroom is officially gone. So I have all these bathroom supplies. I'm just gonna put in this bin here, because they've been kind of packed since I've moved here, because I always try to stay organized. So they've been kind of like in this thing here. And then my closet, pretty much gone. All my clothes are gone. Just my little, like the clothes that I wear on a regular basis. Like my workout clothes are right there, and all the random stuff in there. So that's me, and this is the mess that is going on here. So right now I was about to start working on this little area here. I got all of this stuff here. That's what you guys see on the floor there. Some of that came from these two little space here. So I'm actually gonna tackle this. I'm gonna get all this in that bin right there, and then I'm gonna come here and kind of sort out. I have a whole bunch of expired makeup. Like, honestly, why do I have expired makeup? I don't know, but I have a whole bunch of expired makeup that I don't use. I don't wear makeup like that, so I don't feel the need to go buy new makeup that's just gonna be sitting at home and then it'll expire again. So I literally have a whole bunch I have to go through and like throw away a whole bunch of things, but I feel like that would just take me too long. My plan is to kind of just pack everything in here, and then once I'm done, when I'm unloading everything in my new place, then I'm just gonna go through and throw away things that I don't need. But we'll see how it goes. I think I'm gonna do both, but right now let's tackle this here. Right, let me go play some music. I'm gonna set a 1-hour timer so I don't lose track of time, because I tend to do that. I literally set a timer for everything just because I do have to go out. I'm trying to like not wait till traffic starts, go before traffic. Currently it's 12:50. I'm gonna set a 1-hour timer and just see how much I get done. Shouldn't take me that long. It's literally just putting things in a bin, but 1 hour, boom. Tell me why though. Why does one person, why do I have so many, like, why do I have so many face masks? Like, I literally buy these and then I don't even do anything with them because I forgot I had this much. Literally, like, I literally don't even use these. And now I feel like I'm gonna have to keep them and start using them because they're not even, some of them are not even expired. I just have too much. Like, I have so many random things. And these are when I was obsessed with Il Maquillage, and I went and ordered a whole bunch of their lipsticks. I've worn them, but I don't see myself wearing this, but I don't want to throw it away because they're still brand new. Like, just a waste. And then this is a Sephora collection, I think, like the lip gloss or the lipsticks. Like, NARS. I think I got these as a sample one time. Trash, because they're probably expired. These are the NYX lipstick or liquid lipsticks. I used to wear a lot of liquid lipsticks back in the day. Like matte lipsticks. That's why I have so much of them. But I don't wear them anymore. So it's just like, whatever. And this purple, literally this purple lipstick. I remember I used to wear purple lipstick. No more. I'm just gonna toss that. I don't think I'm gonna use that. This is like the prettiest lip color ever. I'm keeping this. And then at one point I went and bought a whole bunch of clip-on nails and never wore them. Eyeshadow. Look at the colors. It's so pigmented. Like, obsessed. I'll come back and show you guys the progress. So far, this is all I have. I just stacked everything on there. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rearrange it later on tonight, but that's all I have so far. I'm actually heading out, and so it's almost 3 o'clock, and I was like, I need to go. If I'm gonna head out, I need to go right now. Like, traffic here is freaking annoying. It's literally the worst thing, I feel like. Just wearing this little distressed jacket, whatever you want to call it, and my Fabletics leggings, the most comfiest thing ever. I love these black ones. If you haven't seen my video on it, check that out. So I pretty much just got back from Walmart. I was gonna make some dinner. I realized I have some leftovers. I made some pasta last night, and there is enough for me to take to work and probably tomorrow as well. So I'm probably not gonna cook. I was gonna make some chicken orzo, but honestly I feel like just eating my Chick-fil-A salad and watching my show and just calling it a night, pretty much. The room is empty. My camera's not doing it justice because this room is pretty big, but it's empty. Used to be an office room, and emptied out the closets. Boom. Vacuumed. Look at how clean everything looks.